नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today topic is carbo-based medicine, part 1, other name vegetable charcoal. Disintegration and imperfect oxidation is the keynote of this remedy. The typical carbo patient is sluggish, fat, and lazy, and has a tendency to chronicity in his complaints. Blood seems to stagnate in the capillaries, causing blueness, coldness, and ecchymosis. Body becomes blue, icy cold. Bacteria find a rich soil in the nearly lifeless stream, and sepsis and typhoidal state ensues. A lowered vital power from loss of fluid after drugging, after other disease in old people with venous conditions, states of collapse in cholera, typhoid. These are some of the conditions offering special inducements to the action of carbovage. The patient may be almost lifeless, but the head is hot, coldness, breathe cool, pulse imperceptible, oppressed and quickened respiration, and must have air, must be fanned hard, must have all the windows open. This is a typical state for carbovage. The patient faints easily, is worn out, and must have fresh air, hemorrhage from any mucous surface, very debilitated. Patient seems to be weak to hold out. Person who have never fully recovered from the effect of some previous illness, sense of weight as in the head, eyes and eyelid before the ear, in the stomach and elsewhere in the body, putrid condition of all its affections, coupled with a burning sensation, general venous stasis, blue skin, limbs cold, mind symptom, aversion to darkness, fear of ghost, sudden loss of memory, head symptom, ache from any overindulgence, hair feels sore, falls off easily, scalp itches when getting warm in bed, head pressed upon head like a heavy weight, head feels heavy, constricted, vertigo with nausea and tinnitus, pimples on forehead and face puffy, cyanotic, pale, hypocritic, cold with cold sweat, blue, motile cheeks and red nose, vision of black floating spots, asthenopia, burning in eyes, muscle pain, otorrhea following exanthematous disease, ears dry, malformation of cerumen with exfoliation of dermoid layer of meatus, epistaxis in daily attacks with pale face, bleeding after straining with pale face, tip of nose red and scabby, itching around nostrils, varicose veins on nose, eruption in corner of LNSI, coryza with cough, especially in moist warm weather, ineffectual efforts to sneeze, mouth, tongue coated white or yellow brown, covered with apathy, teeth very sensitive where chewing, gum retracted and bleed easily, blood oozing from gums when cleaning teeth, pyorrhea, stomach irritations, heaviness, fullness and sleepiness, tense from flatulence with pain, worse lying down, irritation after eating and drinking, temporary relief from belching, rancid sore or putrid irritations, water brush, asthmatic breathing from flatulence, nausea in the morning, burning in stomach, extending to back and along spine, contractive pain extending to chest with distension of abdomen, faint, bone filling in stomach, not relieved by eating, crampy pains, forcing patient to bend double, distress comes on a half hour after eating, sensitiveness of epigastric region, digestion slow, food putrefy before it digests, gastralgia of nursing women with excessive flatulence, sore, rancid belching, aversion to milk, meat, and fat things. The simplest food distresses, epigastric region very sensitive. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.